In the name of God, who is most compassionate and beneficent, today I'm going to share some ideas on the word and its formation. This is the fifth one class on the basic English grammar, and now let's see what we are going to say. So look here. First of all, we will define what is word. What is a word? Actually, a single word or group of words that gives complete meaning is called word. Means a single word or a group of words that gives complete meaning, we call it as a word. And you will see its examples here. For example, we have pen, we have a book, board, cat, flower, gate, words, so on so. These are the words which gives us meaning. But here I have written a single word. A single word can be become the word. Suppose here's this is a book. So here a gives a meaning, particular meaning. Similarly, here is a I'm a teacher. I'm a teacher. Here you will see an means here you will see it's a word, and here is also verse. So we come to know that words can be formed even with a single letter, as well as we can form them by merging two or more letters. That gives us complete meaning. It will be a word. Now, after understanding the word, now come to know how to form the word. How to form the word. So we can form word in different ways. So first is that there is that a simple words. You will see simple words. Then we have the forming ways, compound words. So blend words, clip words. You can say clipping, acronymous words. So and then we have back formation, information, as well as the borrow words. So these are the kinds of words. These are the kinds of words. Now, after understanding this term word, now come to understand these forms of words, means these kinds of the words. Now, first one is a simple words. First one is a simple words. How can we form simple words? Simple form words can be formed with one or two syllables. One or two syllables. When you merge one or two syllables, we have the simple word. So here's I, picture, band, school. You will say here's a one syllable. Syllable means which is produced with the one motion of a tongue. Suppose I have a beautiful. There are three syllables in this word. Similarly, we have I and we have picture. We have two syllables, and bank one syllable. School. School. So you will see the different syllables in this word as well. So we come to know the simple words are formed with a single syllable or the more syllables. In simple words, you will see so many syllables in a word. So now come to the next kinds of word. It's a compound words. It's a compound words. Now compound words, combining of two simple words. When you combine two simple words, we have a compound words. We have a compound words. Suppose I have steam plus boat. We have steamboat. And we have police and plus station. We have police station. This is a compound word. Similarly, we have tea plus spoon. We have teaspoon. Means when you merge two simple words, which gives some particular meaning. As well as we have Pakistan plus flag. We have Pakistan flag. You can also form other words as well. We have mule plus train, mule train. We have student line. We have class teacher. We have a railway station. These are the examples of the compound words. So understand. Now come to the next topic. So we have blend words. So blend words. Blend words are formed when we merge two simple words. In what context? Merging two simple words. When we will take two simple words and we will take the first part of first word and second part of the last word, and we have other words. Suppose I have Sindhi and we have other words in English. So Sindhi, S-I-N, and English, we have Singlish. Singlish is such kind of English in which you will see the some Sindhi words. Suppose I say my bha is not here at home, so I cannot contact with you. So bha is English, not Sindhi words. And similarly we have Hindi plus English. Hindi, you will see SIN plus GLHS. So in English we have English, and we have other words. This is the smoke, and we have fog. So smoke, SM plus fog, OG. We have smoke. Means this is a mixture of two different words, and you will have the other word. It is will be called the blend words. Then we have motor, hotel. So motor MON and hotel TEL. We have a motel, and here I want to share something that this is one word. This is a restaurant, and I have a hotel, and we have a motel. These three words have different meaning. Restaurants means only food. You are giving only food, and hotel, food plus residency, and motel, food plus residency, and parking. Means if your lorry, if your car, you can park there. So there is a missing motel. So now come to the next topic. Next kind of word, we have clip. You can say clipping. Using part of a word. Not the whole word. Suppose we can form the clip words when we take the part of any word which exists in any language. Suppose we have examination. We have exam. We can say solely as an exam. So examination is a word, but we can say in a short way it's exam. Similarly, we have introduction. We have an introduction word, but we say intro. Means this is the clipping words. We have clip words. Or we have mathematics. We have a mathematics word, and we will say it's a math or mathematics. So other words is math. So because here we have a sir. Actually, what's different? Here difference that math is American and maths is British. British people say maths, but Americans say math. Now we can form other clip words in the language. Now after understanding the clipping, we have acronyms. Acronyms words. Mean taking initial letters of any words. Means abbreviated words. We use the abbreviation of any organization or school, college, university, states. There we use the acronyms words. Suppose I have a word. Light amplification by stimulating emission of the radiation. This is the scientific term. We say short as a laser. And we have USA. So USA is the United States of America. So we have taken U from state, or from United, S from state, and A from America. This means USA. And we have also British Broadcasting Corporation. So this is BBC. Means this is BBC. So we can form so many words in this way. Suppose we have I have word UNO. This is a word, but its form is a United Nations Organization. United Nations Organization is also a word. Now come to the next point. This is a back formation. Back formation in English is very important because it is creating a base form that did not exist. It means we can form any form of word, but actually it is not present in the dictionary or somewhere else. Suppose here is orientation. This is the actual word. This is the best word, but we can say oriented or orient. You will see whenever you have a listen this word orient, oriented. Both are the same words, but actually they don't exist. Thus, this word exists. Only this word existed. And now you know that with the passage of time, languages changes rapidly because you will see some languages take some words from other languages, and we call such words as borrowing words from as a borrowing words because English is not a pure language. It is the language that borrows so many words from different languages: Latin, Greek, Italian, and you will see German, French, Greek. So these languages, the sorry words which are taken by these languages from the English language subject. So then we will see that I have words hospital. It's a French, and this is now used in English as hospital. And hostel is also used in English as we have a hotel. But I want to share one thing that in French language, hospital, hostel, and hotel are same to same. But in English language, hospital, hostel, and hotel are carrying their different meanings. So this is my lecture on the word and words formation. How can we form the word? What's the word? And this is my lecture. And if you are new on ICC Hinguja YouTube channel, subscribe and say your friends related if they are interested in English language or any other subject. They must visit our YouTube channel, subscribe, like, share, and if you have any question regarding any topic, you may comment in the comment section. So this is my lecture, and I hope that you have learned a lot of things, and I will assure you that it is a passage of time. I will share these points step by step in coming lectures. Till that lecture, keep touch with our channel. Always try to visit this channel and like. So this is my lecture. Till that time, next lecture. Bye bye.